Upcycled wood and metal pieces with maximum profit potential begin not in the workshop, but in the mindset of the maker who understands that value is not determined by the original cost of materials, but by the transformation they undergo and the story they ultimately tell. Discarded timber and scrap metal, often overlooked as waste, hold extraordinary design potential when approached with intention, technical understanding, and a clear awareness of market demand. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The harmonious transformation of these materials into high-profit home decor and furniture pieces requires balancing raw authenticity with refined execution, ensuring that every creation feels deliberate, durable, and desirable. In today's modern living spaces, where sustainability intersects with style, the ability to elevate humble discards into sophisticated decor is not only creatively fulfilling, but commercially strategic. The process begins with seeing opportunity where others see inconvenience. Weathered wood offcuts, pallet remnants, and salvaged beams carry textures and tonal variations that new lumber cannot replicate. Similarly, pipe scraps, metal brackets, and industrial remnants possess structural strength and a raw aesthetic that aligns perfectly with contemporary industrial and minimalist design trends. When these materials are thoughtfully paired, their contrast creates visual tension that feels both modern and timeless. A sleek industrial side table crafted from reclaimed pipe and a carefully finished wood top, for example, embodies this harmony. The metal provides structural integrity and an architectural edge, while the wood introduces warmth and organic character. The result is a piece that feels intentional and balanced, appealing to buyers who seek authenticity without sacrificing elegance. Maximizing material potential means designing around what is available rather than forcing materials into conventional patterns. Instead of trimming reclaimed timber into uniform shapes that erase its character, high-profit designs often highlight natural edges, grain irregularities, and subtle imperfections. These features become focal points, differentiating each piece as one of a kind. In a market saturated with identical mass-produced furniture, uniqueness commands attention and justifies premium pricing. Buyers are not simply purchasing a table or wall art, they are investing in a singular object that cannot be replicated exactly. This exclusivity significantly enhances perceived value, allowing makers to position their work within the realm of sustainable luxury rather than budget DIY. Metal, when salvaged and reimagined, offers similar advantages. Industrial pipe scraps can be cleaned, stabilized, and configured into frameworks that support shelves, desks, or seating. The visible joints and mechanical connections add authenticity, reinforcing the narrative of transformation. Rather than hiding welds or fasteners, skillful craftsmanship integrates them into the design language, creating pieces that feel engineered rather than assembled. This attention to detail signals quality to discerning buyers. The strength of metal also ensures durability, which is a critical factor in profitability. Long-lasting pieces reduce customer hesitation and build trust in the maker's brand, encouraging repeat purchases and referrals. Wall art forged from reclaimed timber offcuts exemplifies how small materials can yield substantial returns when approached creatively. Layered wood panels, geometric compositions, or mixed media installations combining wood and metal fragments transform leftover scraps into visually compelling decor. Because the raw material cost is minimal, the primary investment becomes time, skill, and design insight. When these elements are executed with precision, the finished product can be priced according to its artistic merit rather than its material origin. This shift from cost-based to value-based pricing is fundamental to achieving maximum profit potential. The artistry, narrative, and craftsmanship embedded in each piece elevate it beyond its humble beginnings. Sustainable luxury plays a central role in this transformation. Modern consumers increasingly value environmentally responsible products, but they also expect sophistication and refinement. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Upcycled wood and metal pieces that retain a raw, unfinished appearance without thoughtful detailing may struggle to compete in higher-end markets. However, when reclaimed materials are carefully sanded, sealed, and finished with subtle polish, they communicate intentional design. The goal is not to erase their past, but to present it in a way that aligns with contemporary aesthetics. Smooth finishes paired with preserved texture, matte metal contrasted with warm wood tones, and clean lines juxtaposed with organic imperfections create decor that feels curated rather than improvised. Profitability also depends on understanding how these pieces fit into real living spaces. Functional furniture such as side tables, console tables, shelving units, and compact desks consistently perform well because they address practical needs while offering visual appeal. By designing with proportion and usability in mind, makers ensure that their creations are not only admired but integrated into daily life. A side table crafted from pipe scraps must feel stable and appropriately scaled, while a reclaimed wood shelf must support weight confidently. This marriage of beauty and function reinforces value and reduces returns or dissatisfaction, protecting both reputation and revenue. Another aspect of maximizing profit lies in storytelling. Each upcycled piece carries a narrative of renewal and resourcefulness. Sharing the journey of transformation from discarded material to refined decor enhances emotional connection. Buyers are drawn to objects that embody intention and responsibility. When they understand that their purchase supports sustainable practices and skilled craftsmanship, they perceive greater worth. This narrative can be communicated through branding, photography, and presentation, positioning the work within a lifestyle of conscious modern living. Efficiency in production further strengthens profit margins. Working with reclaimed materials requires adaptability, but streamlined processes for cleaning, cutting, and assembling can reduce time without compromising quality. Standardizing certain design frameworks while allowing for material variation enables consistent output while preserving uniqueness. For example, a signature pipe and wood side table design can be adapted to different dimensions or wood tones depending on available scraps. This approach maintains brand identity while optimizing resource use. Ultimately, upcycled wood and metal pieces achieve maximum profit potential when they transcend their origins as waste and emerge as objects of desire. The harmonious blending of reclaimed timber and industrial metal creates decor that resonates with contemporary tastes while honoring sustainable values. Each project becomes a testament to the idea that luxury is not defined by newness, but by craftsmanship, integrity, and thoughtful design. By elevating overlooked discards into highly desirable treasures, makers redefine what sustainable living looks like in modern interiors. They demonstrate that profitability and environmental responsibility are not opposing goals, but complementary forces that, when aligned, generate both creative satisfaction and lasting financial success. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.